Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to avoid gas fees on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in uniswap.com. After that, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Uniswap, Trade, get Explore, and Pool. In the top, we have the search tokens where you can obviously go and search for tokens, and we have the swap anytime, anywhere where you can go and swap your tokens. In the top right corner, we have the Get App and Connect Your Wallet, where you can go and connect your wallet by clicking on it, clicking the wallet that you of course want, and then just of course go and clicking here, and that's basically that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and avoid gas fees on Uniswap. So gas fees tend to be lower during the early morning hours or weekends when the Ethereum network is less congested. So instead of market orders, use limit orders to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell tokens. This can help you avoid high gas fees associated with market orders. You can also combine multiple transactions into a single transaction to reduce overall gas fees. And consider using other Ethereum based decentralized exchanges that may offer lower gas fees for specific tokens. Converting your ETH to VETH before making a swap can sometimes reduce gas fees by 20 to 30%. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.